1 2 3 4
Yankee Doodle went to town
5
riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and
6
called it macaroni.
Yankee
7
Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music
8
and a step, and with the girls be handy.
9 10
Father
11
and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick
12
as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
13
Mind the music and a step, and with the girls be handy.
14 15 16
And there was Captain
17
Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without
18
them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, get up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
19
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
20
Let's paint.
Pink color 1 sea green color 2 sky blue color 3 yellow color
There was Captain Washington
4
and gentle
orange
folks
color
about him. They say he's grown so
5
tarnal proud he
green
will not
color
ride without them.
Yankee
6
Doodle, keep
red
it up.
color
Yankee Doodle
7
dandy.
pink color
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be
8
handy.
sea green color 9 sky blue color 10 yellow color 11 orange color 12 green color 13 red color 14 pink color
Yankee Doodle went to town
15
riding on a
sea
pony,
green color
stuck a feather in his hat and called it
16
macaroni.
sky blue color
Keep it up.
17 yellow color
Mind the music and the step, and with the
18
girls be handy.
orange color